Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. In today's episode, we can see PVC pipes related emerging stocks in India. PVC pipe market size in India 30,000 crore at a growing rate of 10% and CPVC growing at 20%. PVC full form is chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. The difference between PVC and CPVC is CPVC can handle temperature up to 200 Fahrenheit and PVC only up to 140 Fahrenheit. Now look at the fundamental of today stocks. The first stock is Finolex Industries. Finolex is leading PVC pipe manufacturing company in India. They manufacturing agriculture pipes and fittings, casting pipes, solvent cements and lubricants. They also involve CPVC pipes and SWR pipes manufacturing. Their production capacity is 370,000 metric tons per annum. Finolex having a 900 dealers and 21,000 touch points in India. Market capital of this company is 12,034 crores with face value of 2. Book value is 50.59 rupees. ROE 23.5. Now look at the returns. 1 year returns 95.24, 3 month 11.50 and 1 month 14.93%. Now look at the shareholding patterns. Promoter having a 52.47% and FILs 2.87% and DILs 11.55% and public 32.75%. Remaining 0.36% goes to other. Promoter pledging is 0. FILs increased their stake in June quarter 2.87 from 2.73. Financial of this company also very good. Revenue increased rapidly. Net profit of this company in 2017 345, in 2018 289, in 2019 353, in 2020 307, in 2021 721 crore. The chart also in bullish range. 180 is a strong support. It may double in future. Now look at the next stock is Texmo Pipes and Products Limited. In the year of 1988, this company first unit formed. Then they are formed another 3 unit and merged in the name of Sri Balaji Group of Industries. Now all units merged in the one unit name of Texmo Pipes and Products Limited. Texmo Pipe has production capacity of 75 metric ton per day. Texmo Pipes manufacturing CPVC, UPVC, SWR, HDPE and garden pipes. They have also 2,500 dealers across India. Reliance, Tata Power, BSNL, MTNL, Siemens and Indian Railways are main clients of Texmo Pipes and Products Limited. Market capital of this company is 143 crores. Face value 10. Book value 74.39. EPS 3.89 and ROE 4.78. The stock currently trading at 49.25 below the book value. Now look at the returns. 3 year 110%, 1 year 250%, 3 month 0.10% and 1 month 4.68%. Now look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having a 44.24%, FIL 0.03%, public 55.5%. In June quarter, FILs by 0.03% of stakes in this company. Promoter zero pledged. Now look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 297 crores. In 2018, 251 crores. In 2019, 309 crores. In 2020, 327 crore. In 2021, 421 crores. Net profit also increased year by year. In 2017, minus 1 crore. In 2018, 0 crores. In 2019, 2 crores. In 2020, 3 crores. In 2021, 10 crores. Look at the chart. Chart shown huge breakout from 30 to 60. Now consolidated going on. So 41.60 rupees is a support. It will be a boom in upcoming years. Now look at the third and final stock, Jain Irrigation Systems Limited. Jain Irrigation Limited is a second largest micro irrigation company in the world. They have a client in 126 countries in the world. Jain Irrigation System have a production capacity of 5 lakh metric ton of various polymers. They also involves manufacturing of PVC sheets, solar water heater, solar water pumps, PVC panels and solar lighting applications. The market capital of this company is 1791 crore. Face value of 2, book value is 61.98. Now look at the returns of this company. 1 year 161.59% and 3 month 40% and 1 month 12.99%. Now look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having a 28.64, FILs 5.39, public 65.57 and others 0.4%. Promoter pledged 49.95% of shares. Now look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 6,769 crore. In 2018, 7,946 crores. In 2019, 8,576 crores. In 2020, 6,215 crore. In 2021, 5,666 crores. But net profit and return of equity in negative side. This stock is trading around 33 to 40 rupees. Look at the monthly chart. Price recovering from single digit to double digit. Soon the stock will be traded 3 digits also possible. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.